Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with your daily devotional I'm gonna do the whole month of November with Grace and Gratitude, the devotional journal by Shauna Noel with Lisa Stilwell. Okay, and on the first one it says it's a new day. Today is a brand new day that God has made just for you. It's a day that's bright and fresh, ready and waiting for new beginnings to unfold. No matter what happened yesterday, today is new. That means new thoughts, new prayers, new worship, new hope, and new chances to recognize and rejoice in God's goodness. Yesterday is behind you. Tomorrow is out of reach. Today is an unexplored treasure with adventures waiting. May your heart be filled with grace and peace as you embrace the this promising new start in front of you. Okay? Now this is day 1, okay? And it says here, and if Ephesians chapter 4 verses 22 to 23. Next one, sing a new song to the Lord. Sing his praise from the ends of the earth. Isaiah chapter 42 verse 10. Do not conform to the patterns of the world, but do but be transformed that the renewing of your mind, then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, his good, pleasing, and perfect will. Romans chapter 12 verse 2. And that'll be it for today's devotional. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video, and bye bye for now.